Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya and today we are going to talk about shopping haul for your little ones. And here it is.
Hi, I'm Vidya Shashank, a blogger and mommy of two. Welcome to my channel.
So there's a very big rule in my house कि बच्चे को अच्छे से ड्रेस पहना के रखना है पूरे टाइम. सो इवन इफ यू आर इन द हाउस द चाइल्ड हैव टू बी लाइक एकदम मस्त डेनिम ड्रेस या तो फिर वॉट एवर इट इज, नॉट डेनिम एग्जैक्टली, चाहे जो भी पहने, बट इट हैव टू बी गुड. सो विच बेसिकली मीन्स आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स जो कि स्पेशली हम लोग घर के लिए रखते हैं, लाइक स्लीवलेस वेयर या ऐसे जो कैजुअल वेयर होते हैं, ऐसा कुछ सेपरेट नहीं है. वी इवन मेक हिम वेयर गुड वंस एट होम. और बाहर जैसे कुछ बहुत ही स्पेशल ओकेजन है तो उसके लिए तो अलग से रखा हुआ है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द गुड ड्रेसेस ही विल बी वेयरिंग एट होम ओनली. तो इसके कारण क्या होता है कि वी कीप ऑन बाइंग अ लॉट ऑफ ड्रेस. तो फाइनली मैंने सोचा ओके चलो इट्स टाइम टू रीवैम्प हिज वार्डरोब. तो पूरा उसका चेंज करते हैं, वील बाय सम न्यू टी शर्ट्स एंड स्टफ्स फॉर हिम, क्योंकि अभी वो बड़ा भी हो रहा है तो ही इज काइंड ऑफ आउटग्रोन मोस्ट ऑफ देम. तो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट टुडे. So the first one over here is this one by Baby Hug, and Baby Hug is always my favorite brand, trust me. उसमें dresses हो या कुछ भी हो, it comes in an affordable range. And okay, this is not a t-shirt, it's a bathrobe. This is something which I wanted to buy for Dhruv क्योंकि मेरे पास wrap around towel था, but proper bathrobe type का कुछ नहीं था. So this is a bathrobe. And look at this, there's a cute dino print over here, you can see. और ये बना भी मटेरियल एकदम सॉफ्ट टॉवल वाले मटेरियल से बना है. इट्स रियली सॉफ्ट एंड इट्स प्रिटी बिग. भले ही इसका एज लिखा था 2 to 3 years, बट आई थिंक दिस कैन वर्क आउट वेरी वेल इवन आफ्टर दैट. तो दिस कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड 499 and I think for 499 it's a really good pick. So this is how you make him wear, and then you have this thing with which you can tie it. So yeah, it's a dino bathrobe by Baby Hug. The next thing over here is this. It's a combo t-shirt pack by Mini Donuts. So Mini Donuts के बहुत से summer wear t-shirts are available, and I think this was for 599. So I will leave the links of all the dresses that I am purchasing over here. So it's Mini Donuts pack of 3. So I think for 599, like for 600, if you are getting 3 t-shirts, it's a good catch. So I'll just quickly show you how the t-shirts look. So this is the first t-shirt over here. It have the print of small cactus, and this is the second t-shirt. I'll open and I'll show one to you. So Mini Donuts के color combo packs होते हैं. Like if you have green, you have different dresses of green shade. If you have red, you have different shades of red one. और ये जो मैंने लिया है वो red shade का pack है. So you can see all the dresses are in the shade of red. And this is another cactus print, and this is so cute. The print is really good. The quality is really good. I've tried Mini Donuts dress and they are really good ones. He is going to look like a candy in this for sure. ध्रुव के पास ऐसा एक romper था, but now it's very small for him. So I'm really gonna make him wear this, and I love this combination, this red and white combination. It's so candy-ish type का. So these 3 dresses are the one which came in the pack of red color from Mini Donuts, and this is for 600 rupees. So it's a pretty good catch. The next thing is also by Mini Donuts, and as I told you, it's all color based. तो ये वाला जो है ये है combination of green, fluorescent green color. So again it's a pack of 3 t-shirts, and this one costed me 599 again, which means like approx 200 per t-shirt, which is again a good catch. So this is the first t-shirt. The stripped one's green, grey and reddish with white print. और इसमें छोटे छोटे से puppies भी बने, so it's like really good. And the material is like super soft, super soft. This is another with a small tiger print, and this is so cute. I am literally liking it. Can you see it, guys? This is really nice. So the print is really good over here. And this is like the ultra print wala thing, and this is like so many prints over there, tigers. और ये भी if you see, it's in the combination of fluorescent green, red and grey and white. So that's what I told you. The pack of 3 comes in one color combination. So if it is green, everything will be in kind of greenish color. So yeah, so this is the second one. The next is, okay, The next is this one, just a normal t-shirt from Tango. Tango also have very simple, affordable t-shirts for kids. So this is for 175. So just a normal t-shirt. It's a full sleeve t-shirt. If you want, I can just open and I'll show you. I've got many t-shirts from Tango and they have been really good. The prints are good. And ये थोड़ा सा, you know, it's little cold in Bangalore these days क्योंकि बारिश हो रहा है. Sorry for the sound disturbance. There's a construction happening at the back, तो उसके कारण बहुत sound आता है. Anyhow, so this is by Tango 123 brand, and if you see, this is for 12 to 18 months, but this is pretty big for Dhruv, who's 20 months old. तो क्या है कि टैंगो के ड्रेसेस मैंने हमेशा नोटिस किए विल बी लिटिल बिगर, तो इसलिए मैंने एक साइज छोटा लिया बिकॉज एनी हाउ बच्चों के ड्रेस ज़्यादा नहीं चलते हैं, कुछ दिनों में गंदा कर देगा एंड देन वी हैव टू चेंज इट. सो या हियर इट इज. सो इट्स अ येलोइश टी शर्ट. It's pretty good. Let me show you the next one. So the next one is this, and it is from Zero. So Zero is a brand which has beautiful collections for infants especially. तो अगर न्यूबॉर्न है तो न्यूबॉर्न्स के लिए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मल्टी वैल्यू पैक्स आते हैं Zero के, and I really love them. The quality will be really good. So this is a very cool print. It's like jungle, and the color, this blue color, is like so peaceful, so good. So even this one is little bigger in size. So जो भी कपड़े थोड़े से बड़े होंगे, I'm going to pack it off and I'm going to keep it away. तो naturally I'll not use it now. I'll be using it जब ध्रुव थोड़ा सा और बड़ा हो जाएगा. So the next T-shirt is again by Zero. Zero have really good prints. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे प्रिंट होते हैं उनके. एंड दिस द नेक्स्ट वन. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड अ ब्लैक स्ट्रिप्ड टी शर्ट फॉर हिम, एंड हियर इट इज. सो इट हैव अ मिनी रॉकेट प्रिंट ऑन इट, and the quality is really good. As I told you, the quality of Zero will be really good, and the material is also very soft. So yeah, so this is the next t-shirt, and these two t-shirts, like this one is for 175 and the other t-shirt is also for 175. So if you can see, these t-shirts are less than 200 and it's pretty affordable. Like अगर घर के लिए ड्रेसेस लेना है या इवन बाहर जाने के लिए भी, these are so good. तो you can definitely consider buying t-shirts from First Cry. The next thing is this t-shirt, and this is from OHMS brand. OHMS brand मैं पहली बार ले रही हूँ. Like I've not tried, and they don't have a lot of collection over First Cry. Like they hardly have 6 or 7 dresses for his age. But I thought let me give it a try, and here it is. ये इसको exact fit आएगा. Like this is his size, and it says wildlife adventure, and the color combination is very good. तो इसका पूरा सेट भी था, बट आई एम मेनली लुकिंग फॉर टी शर्ट्स, तो मैंने सिर्फ टी शर्ट वाला कॉम्बिनेशन लिया. सो दिस इज अगेन टोल्ड दैट इट्स मेड ऑफ 100% कॉटन, फील्स सॉफ्ट. Let's see how this one goes. But anyhow, the print is just cute, and this one costed me around 169 rupees. So again, this is below 200 and it's pretty affordable. Then next is another t-shirt and pant set. So it's from Baby Hug again, and I'm going to show you this. So this is how it looks. It's a small trousers, and upar there's a strip t-shirt like this, the polo t-shirt, and this one costed around 699. But the quality, as I told you, Baby Hug का wow quality होता है, and I really loved it. So it gives a very sporty look, but then थोड़ा सा बड़ा है ध्रुव के लिए, so I'm going to keep it away for a few days. The next is a shirt. I love kids in shirt. I just love. मेरा favorite है, and you know I just love buying different kinds of shirt with different kinds of collars and prints for Dhruv. So this one is actually, I'll show you. It's quite cute. Okay, so it's a shirt with a summery floral print. Okay, and then we have this small shorts. This is so cute. So ye and ye, I mean, he's going to look like as if he's going for a beach party or I don't know what. But then this one is really cute, and this is from a new brand. I don't know. It's for 565. Okay, and it's a baby garment for 565, but it's made of pure cotton, and ye pakka it will be like really good for the child. So I really liked it. And if you see the collar also, it's like the standing collar. It's like not like the normal collar. So Yeah, so this is another. The next thing over here is this. This is also a set, and this one is for 1065. I'll show you what all are there in this pack. So this is also from another brand, just a normal brand. तो इसमें है एक छोटा सा shorts over here, like it's kind of 3/4 for him, and then you have this morning t-shirt. So this t-shirt is okay. This is from Leke Kids. I don't know what brand it is. Like this is the first time I'm trying it, but this is how the t-shirt looks. It has small prints of planets, moon, and there's a small astronaut also. So I'm just loving it. So it's white in color with a nice collar. थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, तो I will keep it for next round. So yeah, so this is how the set looks like. This is the t-shirt, and this is the bottom wear. Yeah. So next I'm going to show you the other set, and who don't love prints like this? This is again from Baby Hug. It's a t-shirt, and this one is for rupees 399, and it's a full sleeve shirt with many colorful dinos on it. Wow, ये तो मुझे पसंद आ गया. लाइक आई लव शर्ट्स, एंड शर्ट्स में अगर इतने ढेर सारे प्रिंट्स हो तो दे आर सो क्यूट. ही इज गोना लुक क्यूट इन दिस. So again, this is from Baby Hug, and बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Baby Hug के materials are always good. So this is very soft. It's made of cotton. It's for 18 to 24 months, and as I told you, it's for 399. That is, it's for 400. So this is how it looks. So the next one is this, and it's a little big for him, and and this is from Toffee House. Okay, so Toffee House also have good sets for children. तो अगर आपको पार्टी वेयर सेट लेना है, या तो फिर ऐसे ऐसे सेट लेना है, तो टॉफी हाउस इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. So here it is. So this one is for okay, let me see. This one is for 845. So इसमें ये white t-shirt है, and the bottom there's a small shorts, denim का shorts. So this is how it looks, and it's nice. It's pretty good. So if you see, the ones which I did towards the end are the one which are a little costly, but the ones which I did in the beginning, the combo packs and other stuffs, are the ones which are very affordable, and as I told you, you can easily buy. तो अगर अगर आप फर्स्ट क्राई में देखोगे तो there are many t-shirts and other options that are available, but if you go and search for value packs wherein 2 or 3 combos आते हैं, I feel that is much cheaper and affordable. And kids का ड्रेस तो पता ही है, like they keep on growing so fast, and इतने जल्दी छोटे हो जाते हैं, इतने जल्दी गंदे भी हो जाते हैं. Like my family have a huge love towards white colors. Okay, like ध्रुव के बहुत से टी शर्ट्स ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर दिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी सी दे आर नॉट सिमिलर बट दे ऑल आर इन वाइट इन कलर, तो इसलिए सब सिमिलर दिखते हैं. तो एंड वाइट कलर तो बस डाला एंड बस ऐसे ही खराब हो जाता है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई होल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टी शर्ट्स फॉर हिम, कि अगर एक खराब हो गया तो दूसरा यू कैन टेक इट आउट. सो ऐसे सिचुएशंस के लिए वेर बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा कर देते हैं, एंड ऑल द वैल्यू पैक्स आर ऑलवेज गुड, एंड द वैल्यू पैक्स ऑन फर्स्ट क्राई आई लाइक. One thing that I purchased for Dhruv is this. These are toddler shoe socks. Look at this. This is so soft. It's made of breathable material. Now I'll tell you the story behind buying this. Okay, Dhruv एक shoe freak है, तो he don't say a lot of words, but जो word वो अच्छे से बोल पाता है वो है shoes. तो जैसे ही वो नींद से उठता है, he'll be like shoes, and he'll be like grandpa को बुलाता है, grandpa shoes. तो एवरी टाइम ही वॉन्ट्स टू वेयर शूज़. और जब भी आप देखोगे, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ माई स्टोरीज, वीडियोज एंड एवरीथिंग, ही विल बी वेयरिंग शूज़. नहीं तो क्लॉक्स, नहीं तो चप्पल, नहीं तो कुछ भी. लाइक ही वॉन्ट समथिंग ऑल द टाइम. सिर्फ सॉक्स से उनका काम नहीं चलता है, ही वॉन्ट समथिंग टू वेयर ऑन हिज फुट. सो फाइनली आई थॉट वॉट एवर शूज़ दैट ही इज़ वेयरिंग ऑल द टाइम अराउंड द हाउस बहुत बिग एंड बल्की है. तो नेचुरली इट्स नॉट मेड ऑफ ब्रीथेबल मटेरियल, एंड बहुत टाइम बाद जब उसको निकालते हैं ध्रुव के पैसे, तो वी सी वो स्मॉल लाइन्स और एक मार्क्स. तो फाइनली आई थॉट लेट मी गिव अ ट्राई ऑन दिस. So it's a shoe socks. So if you can see from here, यहाँ से ये socks के जैसा है. So it's made of nice cotton breathable material, and at the bottom it have grip, and it's kind of shoes. तो बच्चा इसको लाइक इवन इफ इज गोइंग आउट टू प्ले और पानी है तो इट डजेंट मैटर, कभी गीला नहीं होगा लाइक अ सॉक्स. एंड इट्स अ टॉडलर शू सॉक्स, तो इसलिए देयर इज अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रिप एट द बॉटम because we know how good they are in running around. तो and this is very flexible, तो जैसे भी ध्रुव पैर रखेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली दिस विल जस्ट फिट इनटू हिज लेग. तो इसलिए दैट इज व्हाई आई ब्रॉट दिस फ्रॉम. एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम अगेन बेबी हग. एंड इसको बोलते हैं क्यूट वॉक बाय बेबी हग. एंड दिस कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड 400 समथिंग. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द एग्जैक्ट कॉस्ट, क्योंकि जैसे ये पूरा सामान आया मैंने ड्रेसेस को निकाल के रख दिया. आई थॉट आई विल डू अ हॉल वीडियो, बट दिस द मोमेंट आई टुक इट आउट ही वाज लाइक शूश, एंड देन ही टुक इट, he wore it, he ran away. तो उसका कवर और उसका टैग सब मेरे पास नहीं है, बट आई रिमेंबर इट वाज समथिंग अराउंड 400-ish टाइप. तो आई विल एनीहाउ लीव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड देन यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. तो ये सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन था उसके लिए. आई वांटेड मोर कलर ऑप्शंस बट थे नहीं, सिर्फ एक था तो मैंने ले लिया. सो द नेक्स्ट टॉप इज दिस वन. दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम Zero and it looks like this. It's a polo t-shirt in the color blue saying mini boss. This is so cute, right? So this is made of that normal t-shirt material, but then Zero, as I told you, they have great collection and I just love them. This next one is by Tony Boy and this is a check shirt. So I'm just going to quickly show you how it looks. Yeah, so it's like a full sleeve shirt in the shade blue and white checks, and this is for 999. It's for 1,000 rupees, but then the quality is awesome. It's thick, so if you are staying in a place which is like, you know, winterish या तो फिर बारिश का season है and it's cold, this is like perfect for that. The next is again by the same brand, Tony Boy, and this is also a shirt, and a shirt with a very beautiful collar. So let me show you how it looks. So this one looks like denim, but it's not denim. There's also a shirt made of cotton with this beautiful, you know, kurta kind of top, like kurta kind of neck on top, and just awesome. This is also a little big for Dhruv, so I'm going to keep it. This is also for 999, and this is from the brand Tony Boy. Yeah. This one is also from the same brand, Tony Boy, and this is also for 999. So this is again a check shirt. I told you I'm like a big lover for shirts. So this is like a check shirt again in a very thick material, so apt for this kind of weather where it is not very cold, not very hot, it's rainy, and you know, you need some kind of warmth. So this is like perfect for that. So this one is also for 999. Next is one t-shirt from the brand Baby Hug. So yeah, so this is how the t-shirt looks. It's white, and this one is not much costly. This is for 299. Yeah, so this I've got a very cool print on top. Blue and white is the perfect combination I ever feel. So yeah, so this is what it is. I love this one. So this one is from Cookie Kids. So I'll just show you how it is. So this one is for how much? It's for 620. Cookie Kids have some good color combinations and designs. Yeah. So this is how the t-shirt looks. It have got this kind of print, this kind of military print, but in reddish color. And this is a 3/4 pant below that. So it comes like a set. And yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the last one over here. And this one is also from Baby Hug. But I'll show you what it is. So this one is like a t-shirt set. So it's a sleeveless t-shirt, and this set is for 599. So this is how it looks. It's a small fry, and here you've got a denim 3/4. This is so cute. denim 3/4, which you can pair up with any kind of t-shirt or shirts that you're having. This is really good. It's not very very tight or very hard. It's made of soft material, and this is how the combination looks like. That's all. So these are the dresses which I've got for Dhruv, and these are the three dresses are the ones which he have got as a gift from his bade papa, like my husband's elder brother. He's not here, he's in Kanpur, so he sends dresses for him, dresses and toys for him. Lucky fellow. So so this is my shopping haul. Apparently this is my kids shopping haul, and this is all about FirstCry. So again, as I told you, FirstCry is a very 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 good option when it comes to buying dresses for the little ones. तो आप भी जाके चेक कर सकते हो. और हाँ, जब भी आप FirstCry में ड्रेस लेते हो, the most important thing is, again as I told you, try for value packs, क्योंकि वो हमेशा add on करते हैं and they are like really good. So these are the things which I got. So Mini Donuts, Baby Hug, Toffee House are the main brands which I look into. OHMS is the new brand which I have tried. I will see and I'll let you know how it goes. But I feel it is good क्योंकि देख के तो material अच्छा लग रहा है. तो let me know what kind of videos you would like to see more on my channel. आप जो भी बोलोगे, I will try to do it. If you need to see any kind of review for online websites, shopping stores or toys or whatever, you can tell me. I can surely do a review on that. So until next time, with lots of love, this is Vidya here. Bye.